blood, and water. Visibly two very different things, existing in the same space. But what if they were actually the same thing? What if they weren't only the same as each other, but the same as blood spilled into the sea hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago? What if every molecule to ever exist across every dimension of time and space, past, present, and future, was never separate at all? Quantum superposition suggests exactly this possibility, that a particle doesn't exist in one place, in one state, at one moment in time, until it's observed. Until then, it exists across all of them, simultaneously. An entanglement takes it further. Two particles linked react to each other instantly, not after a signal travels between them, instantly, across any distance. We've proven this, replicated it thousands of times. The Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded for it in 2022. The issue isn't whether it happens. The issue is that when we try to scale it, when we try to apply it to everything, the equations explode. Theories dissolve. Our current physics doesn't have a container big enough to hold what the data implies. But small measurements of light and particles, reacting across different points in space and time, have confirmed that this exists at the quantum level, and we are only just beginning to reach for what that means. But what if this explains our very consciousness? What if the reason we feel empathy, that involuntary pull when someone else is in pain, is the reality of briefly experiencing a piece of their consciousness? Not metaphorically, actually. What if the documented cases of traumatic brain injury, patients suddenly knowing languages they never learned, what if that's not an anomaly? What if that's a glimpse of what happens when the filter is damaged and pieces of an exterior data set seep through? Is it possible that structured language dampened a deeper mode of communication we were built for? That the signal was always there, and we learned to tune it out? And gravity. We understand what it does. We can measure it, model it, use it, but we still don't fully know what it is. Is it possible that gravity doesn't just keep us grounded to the Earth, but grounded to this timeline? That what we experience as weight is, in some sense, an anchor to this particular version of reality. Two things that looked separate, now indistinguishable. And maybe that's not a metaphor. Maybe that's the most accurate description of reality we have. We don't know yet. But what's strange is that every time someone seems to get close to solving a piece of this puzzle, they disappear. Scientists working at the edge of propulsion, fusion energy, exotic physics, the study of what lies beyond our current understanding, vanished, murdered. Maybe it's coincidence. Maybe someone or something doesn't want us to figure it out. Or maybe we're closer than we think.